Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. I do have an unboxing for you today, and I thought I'd also show what I've been reading and some new books I got. When I did that the last time, I had a few people that seemed pretty interested, so I thought I'd just show. The most recent books I've read, these are two of them. It's One Dark Window and Two Twisted Crowns, and they're just a duology by Rachel Gillig, and they were awesome. Awesome books. I couldn't even put them down. I couldn't wait to read them. Then
duology means that's it. There's just two.
Just the two. Yep. And she's got another set of two coming out, and I think one single title, but none of them are out yet. Then I read this book, Horse, by Geraldine Brooks. This was super interesting. It's a Pulitzer Prize winning book, and it is fiction, but it's based on the great horse Lexington, who was just a phenomenal horse, like faster than any of the other horses for years. And he kind of got left by the wayside along with an artist who painted his picture and some other horse pictures. And this book kind of delves into how he was kind of rediscovered again, and how the artist that painted him kind of got rediscovered as well. And there's a little bit of, there's mystery, there's intrigue. It's a fantastic book. So that is some of the ones I've finished most recently, and I'm currently just about done with this one, Emily Wilde's Encyclopedia of Fairies by Heather Fawcett. This book is awesome as well. I have never ever thought of myself as a fantasy reader. I like fiction. I love nonfiction. I love series books, which tend to be just regular fiction. But after I read those, the One Dark Window and the Two Twisted Crowns, I decided to look around more at the fantasy books, and this one just caught my eye. And that's not 100% true. What really caught my eye was this one. Emily Wilde's May of the Other Lands, and it's book 2 in this series. And I just saw this book and I thought it looked so interesting, but I saw it was book 2, so of course I had to find book 1, which they only had in soft cover, which is fine. I normally buy soft covered books, but if book 2 is anything like book 1, which, like I said, I hope to finish today, just a fantastic, they're just so good. They're just super good books. Then I saw another one over in that area that I picked up called Wayward, in a novel by Amelia Hart. And this one, though, I don't know if this is necessarily, it says 2019 under Cover of Darkness, Kate flees London for Wayward Cottage, inherited from a great aunt she barely remembers. With its tumbling ivy and overgrown garden, the cottage is worlds away from the abrasive partner who tormented Kate. Well, it goes on, but I'm sorry, the cover just got me. Must have a thing for ravens or crows lately. I don't know. But I thought that looked really interesting. And it was a buy one, get one 50% off deal. So, with that deal, I grabbed this book, The Midnight Library by Matt Haig. And it says, we all have regrets, choices we could have made differently, paths we didn't take, the other lives we might have led. But what if you were given a chance to fix your past? Enter the Midnight Library. So I thought that looked good. It's funny because I was going to pick this one up one of the last times we were there, and then I didn't. But when I saw it was...
Where was there?
Barnes & Noble. When I saw it was buy one, get one 50% off, then I grabbed it, and that's when I then also grabbed the Wayward one, actually. Then two other books that caught my eye. I should say, one I just got because I wanted to read another book by Geraldine Brooks, and Year of Wonders. I got that because I wanted something else by her. She's the one who wrote Horse. But this was the only one they had. So I got that. I have not read it yet, of course. And then this looked really interesting, too. The Book of Lost Names by Christine Harmel. And, yeah, it has something to do with, I believe, Jewish children that were brought over. And they never had their real names because they were changed when they got here. But I don't know. It looked really good, too. But I'm still in a little bit of shock that I apparently like some fantasy novels because I just absolutely have been loving them. So I am in shock.
Just what you need, another genre to be reading.
I know, it's awesome. So that's what I've been reading. What have you guys been reading? Do you have any fantasy books that you would recommend? I really like series, so I'd like there to be at least more than one. If so, let me know.
Fantasy Island?
In the comments down.
Mr. Rourke?
No, in the comments down below.
The plane. Okay.
And then, as promised, I do have an unboxing for you. Sorry, my hairs. I should have addressed this sooner. Today I worked and I cleaned. So this is it. You guys are my friends now, and so my friends just see me as I am.
The disheveled look?
Sometimes, yes. Sometimes it's that way. Sometimes it's nice. Sometimes it's curled. Sometimes it's not. You're just gonna get what you get, and hopefully you like me for who I am. So
we do.
All right. So this is from a brand that I have a lot from already. And I kind of put the brakes on Portland Leather Goods for a while because I have a few. And it just smells so good, and I just stop. And so I've been trying really hard not to get a bunch from them, and I've been trying to, because once I start collecting something, then like with Portland Leather Goods, I want one of every one of their leathers, at least something in the color, if it's a color that I don't have. So Portland Leather Goods, as of late, has been getting really good at putting out all kinds of new colors. And unfortunately for me, they're not like in the little SLGs, or littles as they call them. They're in bigger bags. And so I've been kind of holding off, figuring that at some point, I'll go in and grab a bunch of stuff when there's enough colors that I want out there that I don't have, where I can get what I want to get, and then and make it, one big fell swoop, one big order. But I had extra points, and I was scrolling one night, and I saw this color, and I had to look again and again, and I'm like, no way, that's not a color I've ever seen them do or even heard about them doing. And so I had to get it. And so I have already opened it so I could see it. But, I gotta look at what this is called. Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot. I got the mini crossbody bag in Cabo.
I can't see it. It's blending in with your shirt.
Oh, I'm like, why can't you see it? This is awesome.
It's an Easter bag.
Right. It is actually metallic. I don't know if that's going to show up on there.
So like aluminum or steel?
No, but just shiny.
Oh, okay.
And they stuff it really nicely for you here. Just going to take the stuffing out. And I got just the plain one that just snaps closed. I didn't get the zipper because I had been getting the zipper ones. They're always a little more expensive. And then it dawned on me that I don't usually zip the zipper. So why am I paying extra for a bag with a zipper that I'm not going to zip? So
you always walk around with your fly open?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So this is what I got. This is Cabo. It might still be on the website. It was when I was checking last night. And
why were you checking last night?
I was just looking.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, so this is the mini crossbody. It's the one that I have the most of. I just absolutely love this size. And I'm sorry, this color was awesome. What is wrong with me lately? I'm buying blue bags and red bags, and I don't know, it's just like different than I normally get. So, but this is really pretty, and like you said, perfect for Easter. So that's what I have for you today. I have not forgotten about Portland leather goods, not at all. And yeah.
So your long distance boyfriend, is that what you're saying?
Oh, whatever. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. You can hit the little bell notification. It notifies you every time I put up a video, which is generally on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Please leave a comment down in the comments down below. I absolutely love when you do that. I love interacting with everybody and getting to know you all a little bit better.
Y'all.
Really, okay, everybody a little bit better. I really appreciate that.
I mean, you vacation in Tennessee.
I do. So, yeah, I just means a lot to me. It really does. And if you haven't found me over on Instagram, I'm over there as well. And I'm James Jam there. It's JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.
It means a lot to me, too, when you comment about the cameraman. Thanks.